Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to log in and reset your Palringo account password. Sometimes you may forget your password. If you have forgot password, don't worry, it can be recovered. To reset your Palringo account password, first click on browser. Go to palringo.com, palringo.com. Click on login button shown on the top right side of your screen. Enter your email and password. Click on sign in button. To reset your password, click on forgot password. Enter your email. Click on reset password. Palringo has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. Click on the email. Click on the link. Create your new password. Your new password should be combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers, and special characters. Retype your new password. Click on update password. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.